Hold your breath because today we are using a smoke machine to find the leak. We are using this smoke machine, Smoke Master. It's great. It has a compressor built in. I have a separate video on how to use it in our channel. You can find it below or at the end of this video. So step 1, with the engine off, remove the L filter box. Take the rubber cone adapter that came with the machine and firmly insert it into the air inlet. Make sure it seals well. You can use a clamp or tape around it. Step number 2, fill the machine with smoke fluid. Go ahead and hang it up. And connect the clips to the battery like so. Step 3, flip the switch to start and you'll see the smoke flowing within a few seconds. Step 4, hook up the hose to the cone inside the inlet and let the smoke build up. Step number 5, use a flashlight and check around these areas. Intake manifold gaskets, throttle body, PCV, valve, you name it. In my case, the smoke was coming out of the valve cover gasket. You can see here the cover was cracked in 2 areas. And yes, this video is coming soon. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cars and tutorials coming soon. And I'll see you on the next one.